In this video, I will be showing you how to create a pull-up banner in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking on the search bar and typing in pull-up banner to see what templates are available. After the results load, I'll scroll through the options until I find a design that fits my needs. I like this minimal fruit juice promo banner, so I'll click on it to see the details, and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the editor is open, I'll head over to the Magic Media tool in the left sidebar. I want to generate a custom image, so I'll type in a detailed prompt for a vibrant Mediterranean platter. I'll make sure to set the aspect ratio to portrait and select a photorealistic style before hitting generate. While those images are being created, I'll start updating the text on the banner. I'll click on the main heading and change it to healthy. Then I'll select the text below it and update it to meal plan. Now that my custom images are ready, I'll choose the one I like best and drag it onto the canvas to replace the existing juice graphic. I'll also click on the price badge and update it to $25. To make the design more unique, I'm going to spend some time looking through the font library. I'll try out a few different script and serif fonts for the healthy heading, like Lilicia or Monster Club, to see which one has the right feel. Next, I'll adjust the meal plan and today's best deal text. I'm switching the font to Noto Serif and scaling the elements so they fit perfectly within the layout. I'll move the price badge up slightly and refine the line spacing of the main text to ensure everything is clear and professional. Finally, I'll resize the food image at the bottom to make it a bit more prominent. To finish it off, I'll go to Edit Image and use the background remover tool to give the platter a clean, isolated look. That is the best method for creating a professional pull-up banner in Canva.